Welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Lokesh and I'm part of the OnceHub support team. In this video, I will walk you through how to set up a location for your booking page. The location defines where the meeting will take place, whether it is a virtual meeting or an in-person meeting. To access the location settings, go to the booking pages from the left-hand sidebar. Select the relevant booking page from the list of the booking pages. Then select conferencing location option. In this section, you will be able to configure the location for the specific booking page. So there are few options that you can choose. You can either set it to a virtual meeting that will use a video conferencing or a phone number. In this section, you will be able to configure if you would like to use an integrated app for video conferencing. This allows to generate a dynamic link for each meeting, or you can use the others option to enter a phone number or a static link for a meeting. The second option is face-to-face meeting that allows you to put in a physical address such as an office address. You will be able to send a complete address here. And the next option is where you can configure if the meeting location is set by you as the owner or the customer will provide the meeting location while the booking process. So that's how you configure the location on a booking page. So there are few more options that you can configure and adjust. You can also customize the message that appears when a customer picks a date and time that helps them to understand where and how the meeting will take place before confirming the booking. And you can also add the meeting location label. This is a header that allows you to name the location field, and this name will appear in the emails and calendar events and on the booking form while the booking process. Please note that one booking page can only be configured to offer one location. If you want to offer multiple locations like virtual meetings and in-person meetings or a phone call, you will need to create separate booking page for each location. Such as I have created one booking page for a virtual meeting and the other one is for physical meetings. For the virtual meetings, I have configured Zoom, and for the in-person meetings, I have configured a physical address that is an office address. And that's how you can manage location settings on your booking pages. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.